Do you have a difficulty in remembering names and faces of people? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you some simple steps to easily remember names and faces of people, and it will be in a very fun way also. And remembering names is very important because when you remember the name and when you use the name of the other person often, they like it and it becomes easier to influence them whenever you want to. But before that, let me tell you a story. In college, I was studying with a friend called Cherian. And when our college got over, he went away to Gulf to do a job and I went my way. And we never saw each other for the next 15 years. But one day suddenly, as I was walking on a road near Churchgate, I saw him coming from the opposite direction. And I waved to him and I say, "Hi Cherian, how are you? Long time no see." And then we decided to have some coffee together. And as we were having coffee, I noticed that he was a little uncomfortable. And I asked him, "Cherian, what's the problem?" He said, "No, there is no problem, but I'm sorry I don't remember your name. You remember my name even after 15 years, but I don't remember your name. So tell me, how do you remember my name?" And I told him, "Cherian, don't ask me that. Because if I tell you how I remember your name, then you are going to leave this coffee and you're going to walk out of this place. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how I remembered that." So let me give you the steps of how to remember names and faces of people. So whenever you come across a new person and hear the name for the first time, so pay attention to the name and the surname. And if it is difficult to pronounce, ask the person to pronounce it for you. And if you still have difficulty, ask the person to spell it out for you. And then also have a good look at the features of the person and try to pick out some unique feature, maybe a nose, maybe eyes, maybe the height, maybe the style of walk, something unique about that person. Then you take the name and the surname and then twist it into something nonsensical. Right? Why nonsense? Because it's easier to remember nonsense than to remember sense. For example, there was this person whose surname was Ghia, and I used to picture in my mind that he's lying down on a table and he's having a massage with pure ghee. Ghia, that's how I, associated it. There was this guy whose name was Paul. I saw this guy, sitting on top of a pole, refusing to come down, and he kept saying, "Suicide, suicide," just like Dharmender and Sholay used to say. And there was this girl whose name was Nayantara. Nayan means eyes, and Tara means stars. So I would see her, whenever I would see her, I would see stars coming out of her eyes. Right? So what you do, you create a nonsense action picture or an action movie and then make this movie to interact or associate it with the person. And next time whenever you see that person, the name will pop out automatically. Take it from me, it works. Going back to the story of Cherian, how did I remember his name? Well, Cherian reminded me of cherry blossom shoe polish, and the movie and the picture I created in my mind was I am sitting on a chair and Cherian is down there brushing my shoes with cherry blossom shoe polish. So if I would have told him this, don't you think he would have got mad? So never ever tell anybody how you remember their name. Okay? So here's what you can do next time whenever you come across a new person. So listen attentively to their name and surname, find out their unique features, take the name and surname and turn it, twist it into something nonsensical, and then associate that with the person himself. I hope you liked the idea. I hope you liked this video. If you did it, then you share it, you like it, you comment on it. If you have any questions, post them below. Most important is please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.